Hi everyone, this is Stacy in Japan, and welcome to Christmas a coming Llama 2. So this is my second box from Jamaica, and I wanted to show you what's inside. Now, of course, I did ask for most of what's inside, but I'm not absolutely sure what's inside. And also, this box was already opened. I just realized I haven't started opening anything yet, but so I don't know what I'm missing. Okay, but maybe it was checked in Japan. I'm not sure. So my mom decided to send this one express because it has perishables, according to her. So, and I see this repacked sticker tape by DHL, so I figured she used DHL, but then this thing was opened. So something, I don't know, I don't have a packing list for this box, so let's see what's inside. Oh, no stamps to count. Sorry. Let's get that handy dandy knife. So I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. You know, it's not really informing you about anything in Japan necessarily, but I will still say a little bit about Japan right now. During the holiday seasons, it can get really tough. You know, like especially holidays like Christmas that are usually family centered, and Christmas, I don't really celebrate Thanksgiving, so like Christmas, you know, and the summer holiday is not so bad because you probably just, you know. Okay, I'm sorry, I cannot open this box. This box is like ridiculously hard to open. I don't know which way I'm supposed to be going with this cutting. Right, so as I was trying to say, it's not happening, is it? Why? Oh, yes. Okay, there we go. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so being in Japan during the holidays is a little bit more demanding and challenging emotionally and psychologically. And this, though being my second year here, I'm not at the 2-year mark yet, but this is my second year. I've been here a year and 7 months so far. It's still not easy being in Japan alone. But the good thing is, I'm not in the country anymore, but I'm gonna do a different video for that altogether. And I'm really just trying to settle down into my new apartment, so I'll update you all on that. Okay, so let's see what's in here. So we got Dashin chips. Dashin. Okay, I don't know this one at all, right? Okay, cassava chips. Okay, I know cassava chips, yeah. So we got cassava chips. I know my plantain chips, of course. I know my plantain chips. Yeah, we got that. Huh? What? Oh, cassava chips sour cream and cassava chips slightly salted. One green, one orange. JLP and PNP still? Huh? Okay, so we got that. Okay. Sweet plantain chips. So ripe plantain, right? Okay, cool. Not my favorite really. I prefer the green one still, but you know, I give thanks in every situation. Alright, Wolpa chips. Let me tell you now. Them 2 boxes here. This box and the first box is for Christmas, New Year's, birthday, into summer next year. I'm too terrible, not true. Oh Lord. Okay, more plantain. Okay, more plantain chips. I forgot to try this. Dasheen chips? No, that one I go over here soon. Alright, cassava, plantain. Good old spice bun. That smell like spice bun. Of course, I have not had this since I left Jamaica, right? So I'm kind of excited about this. Ooh, spice bun. You think they're gonna last for next April during Easter? Maybe. Too bad. All right. Wow. Guess what? She put Bammy in the box. But guess now what? The Bammy mole. The Bammy never met the trip at all. And this was a short trip, you know. This was less than 2 weeks. Wow. But me still go try see if me can salvage anything. I just got the box today, so don't pressure me. And my favorite, St. Mary's banana chips. All right. So okay, that now. Boy, Jamaicans love baggy. Yeah, what tie up in that bag here now? No, we now. Sure. Whoa, yes. Buster. No Buster. Achie. Tambourine ball. You know, like tambourine ball with white sugar doing but can't go on. Yeah, give thanks. Enough tambourine ball and Buster in that bag here. Remember them bag here? I always get them at pharmacy and then something. You're not sure. Yes, the Buster. Me not done yet. Woo! Lord gee, what a way them here mash out. A drops. Coconut drops. Me don't know if I should buy them here. But them here another one I that buy downtown. I guess it's the white coconut drops and it's the brownish coconut drops. But give thanks, cause a whole heap you have to up and down to get them something. I'm not true. But normally you know right at King Street corner they so. Yeah, with the shrimp and the drops and all them something there so me buy my own. You must go there so, right? Alright, more drops. I love coconut, you know. Jeez, I know Japan now have no coconut. Black scandal. Oh Lord, look at this. Thank you, Jesus. Give thanks in every situation. Give thanks. Not true. Gizzada. Oh, what a holy for gizzada. Yes. Alright, so thank you so much for joining this video. It's a little bit long, but I really had fun sharing it with you. Honestly, it was fun. Kind of weird fun, but I appreciate you guys for watching this video. So look out for the other videos and I'll see you next time. So bye from Stacy in Japan.